I just paused my music. It was really loud in here 2 seconds ago. This is looking amazing. I've already added a couple pieces. I made myself a cocktail, some popcorn. I visited Dale. These are not for me. We're gonna see how that goes. Okay, the playlist that I'm listening to, I will add this entire playlist to the end of, like all in order, because it has to go in order, of the Fright Night playlist. Should I just make a fresh one? I'll make a fresh one. But there is a full show at Halloween Horror Nights this year called Nocturnal Circus, which has inspired my tiered tray. So I'm gonna do a full circus themed tiered tray. I've done videos like this before and you guys love them, where I explain my entire thought process on how I design a tiered tray. I'll link a couple down below, but they seem to be the favorites every year. So I have one tiered tray here. This is an OG that I've had forever. Home Goods, I wanna say. And then this one was Amazon, very similar. And I wanted a black one, so I got this one. By the way, the plug running across is so that I can watch a movie in a few minutes. Look how cute this little, oh, I hate when that happens on camera. It's like certain light bulbs do that. Well, it's really pretty. It's like a cocktail. Anyways, so this is gonna go, look at that. She just fits. So the black one is off of Amazon. I'll link as many things as I can. The theme for this one, I think I'm gonna try and tie it in with the bar cart, kind of. All black and white, I don't know. But I do, okay, we're gonna start with the circus one, because I have these that I got at the dollar store. I just wanna say dollar store this year took the cake. So I will walk you through this. My first process is I gather all the items, mostly all the mugs, and then the side pieces, and then some little extra pieces of decor for filler. And then I do anything that's gonna go inside the cups. So kind of like this. So I have a lot of these, Joanna Parker. They're something carnival. It says it on the box whenever you get it, but it's like, not creepy carnival, but like Halloween carnival basically. So they're very on brand. They're perfect. So I think this corner is gonna be my carnival area. And then the other one is gonna be, I wanna say like black and white with a touch of red, because I have this mug from the Make Life Magical merch. And then I have this poison apple mug. And I have this sick, this is one of my favorite whip toppers. So cute, right? So I'm gonna do that in that corner. That's my plan. And we're gonna blast our carnival music. So I'm gonna walk you through this. I'll touch base with you once one of them is done and kind of explain, but you'll be able to see me kind of walk you through it. So gather all your stuff. And I got you on this one. So let's decorate the kitchen for Halloween.
Yay! You call me a saint, but you know I'm a stranger, all willing and able to do what you want. You think I'm a thinker, but I'm just a singer, all busy and pretty, just making believe. Boy, I'm falling, down to obscurity, don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know. I control, you don't know me. I'm a danger to myself. I control, you don't know me. I am fair being unfelt. You look worried, and maybe you should be, 'cause this is a warning that I'm throwing out. 'Cause I'm the worst player that ever will play you, to mix up sweet words with the girl's sanity. Boy, I'm falling. Down to obscurity, don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know. I control, you don't know me. I'm a danger to myself. I control, you don't know me. I am fair being unfelt. sickness floating in our veins. Players in a spotlight game. So fancy when I'm in the spotlight. I'm still in my privacy. A craving that is knocking you out. Just getting visions from my mind. They got me when I'm not holding you tight. I'm feeling your eyes and you love it. Cause the distance feeds your limit, alright. I'm feeling your eyes and you love it. Damn, you chew all. We're not sentimental, no sentiments, no. So fancy when I'm in the spotlight. I'm still alone in my privacy. A craving that is knocking you out. Just getting visions from my mind. They got me when I'm not holding you tight. I'm feeling your eyes and you love it. Cause the distance feeds your limit, alright. I'm feeling your eyes and you love it. Your thoughts, you don't wanna feel my skin. You don't wanna feel my skin. So fancy when I'm in the spotlight. I'm still alone in my privacy. A craving that is knocking you out. Just getting visions from my mind. They got me when I'm not holding you tight. I'm feeling your eyes and you love it. Cause the distance feeds your limit, alright. I'm feeling your eyes and you love it.
I mean, I crushed it. Take a bow, Angie. I feel like I did so good. All new concepts. So this one I went and grabbed. I remembered I had a couple purple pieces. I squealed whenever I made this thing work. Here's the thing. I have had this little Deadly Nightshade since the beginning pretty much of our videos. I wasn't letting it go. So I had to like rewire it. Did like a little finagling. I literally said it loud. I'm like, my dad would be so proud of me right now. I did like my little engineering tricks. I don't even know, but it worked. Hopefully it stays on. That thing has been a nightmare. These, dollar store, so good. I have black ones back there. So we did red, touch of neon green, purple, dead. Scary Teddy, poison apple. I love the little topper on this. Okay, so here's the thing. I lit the not so scary candle, and here's what happens. When you live in a log cabin, you don't mess around. You don't play with fire. Literally, you don't play with fire. So this one's going, we're good. But right here, I was like, we're not gonna do that. So when I wanna use it, I'm gonna take him from here and put him here, and then it's safe, and then safety first. I also do like a lamp, like a little candle warmer. That works. I have one on the bar cart for that on like a low setting. That was so spooky. That happens. We live in the country. That was a vibe. That has happened before in the middle of watching a scary movie. Oven turns back, we're good. That's usually what happens, it just clicks back on, but welcome to living in the middle of nowhere. So, as we were saying, I have my big, I guess like soup, what do you call this? Like a serving bowl? I feel like it's perfect for like a stew and everything. I've had this Ray Dunn tray forever. I don't know if it's gonna stay, but I do like it. I have my olive oil here, these little open mouth jars. So good. It reminds me of Filler Magic. He's phenomenal. I have all of my go-to mugs here that I love the most. I have Carl's little mug, the ghost mugs. I like that I did like a bunch of ghosts at the back, and then these are kind of our go-to right now. And then I put that pumpkin up there. I might grab, I think I have some black and orange ones left over, so I might put those up there too. And then it's gonna be so sad when we redo the kitchen, because now I have like I don't think that thing is staying when we redo the kitchen, but I kind of love it. So my carnival tiered tray, so good. So I kind of shared this, but section off the mugs that you want to use, start with that, do some filler, bowls, little pumpkins, and then the sticks and straws and everything that you want to put in, and then you load it up and just keep pushing everything back and layer things, like put bowls on an angle, put pumpkins on an angle. That's how you do it, the organized chaos. if things overflow, then just put them elsewhere. And then this little windowsill, I lined up all of the little carnival dudes, and then I had a Hocus Pocus sign. This little pumpkin, he's a bit damaged, but I have to fix him. I don't mind though. I'll just like fix him up. I have to do some dishes now because I pushed everything to the side. I might do like one soap. I don't know, Stranger Things. I love the teal and orange. I wish I had more teal. Like the Mickey thing that I did in Florida. How cute would the, right? The teal and the orange. Love it. All right, we slayed the kitchen. So I'm just gonna add these green lights to the bar cart now. Make them a vibe. And if the power goes back out, I mean, we have lots of candles, but now the kitchen is pretty much fully done. I have my little bar area here, my extra bar area that I keep adding to. It's going really well. I'm shocked at how well it's going. So we're gonna continue decorating. There's gonna be like a million decorate with me videos, but hopefully that's cool with you. I don't know what's coming tomorrow. I'm excited. Maybe a staycation, I think. Either way, I'll see you guys then. If you enjoyed this and you guys like the decorate with me's, comment down below. Let me know what you guys wanna see next. I am open to all your suggestions. Give this video a thumbs up because I do notice and I appreciate it. Leave the love below. You guys are seriously so kind. I just did a story saying like, this is the coolest, most amazing group of humans. I'm consistently blown away by how amazing you guys are. Seriously, like every single day, like the DMs and the comments that I see, it's not lost upon me. This doesn't exist elsewhere. So thank you for being a part of my kitchen decorate with me. And Audrey and I are gonna go have our cocktails together because I took basically like half a sip. We're gonna go sit down, listen to our Halloween music, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye dudes.